Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Thank you. Hi YouTube, and welcome back to another video. I'm here to share with you guys the card I created for the Gingerbread Christmas collab that is being hosted by Jamie, Poetspice. We are coming on every Monday for the month of October at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The whole focus for this collab is Christmas crafting, and you can also create using the cute gingerbread. My focus for this collab is creating Christmas cards to get a jump start on my Christmas cards to send out to my family and friends. There are a lot of crafty and talented ladies participating in this collab. I will leave links below so you guys can check it out. Also in this video, I'm going to announce a second winner for the gingerbread tags that I was doing a giveaway for. That winner did not contact me, so I'm going to announce the second winner. So make sure you guys tune in to the end of the video, and I will give you the name of that winner. That person will need to email me at scrappassion01@yahoo.com and give me your mailing address so I can get the gingerbread tags mailed out to you. So let's get started, you guys. I'm going to share with you some of the products that I used to create my card this time. I used some of this cute ribbon from my stash. I love to use my Bow Easy tool to create my bows. And my infamous 5x7 card-based die by Anna Griffin. I use that as well as these dies right here, the layering pieces there. I also use my card creator, the 5x7 matting basic B. And then I also use one of these little tags here that I got from, I don't know, I can't remember. I was getting ready to say the Dollar Tree, but I think it may have been Tuesday morning. But basically, I used it as like a little layering piece. And then I also use Anna Griffin. This is called the Christmas gift tag set. And I used a sentiment out of this set. So those are the products that I use. The card that I'm about to share with you was inspired by, her name is Anne Marie. And she shared this card and I loved it. And she creates a lot of, well, mainly she creates cards using Anna Griffin products. I will link her video below so you guys can check out what she created. She created a wedding card. And when I saw the card, I thought, ooh, that'd be a great Christmas card. So here is the card I created. And I absolutely love it. I love the simplicity of the card. And I love the fact that I was able to use the matting dies that came in that set. If you can see here, I used all of those matting dies and just cut them out, one each. I used 4 of them, and you just use dimensionals and just stack them on top of each other. You start with the smaller one and then just go up and just stack them on top of each other and use dimensionals to give it that look. It almost looks like a shadow box. So I absolutely love that. And then you can see my sentiment here in the center. Merry Christmas, and my cute bow. And then I used the little cute little center there that looks like a peppermint. And here's the inside of the card. And then here's the back. So that is my card share for you guys today. I hope it has inspired you to get out your papers and your dies or whatever you want to use and get started on your Christmas crafting. And that's what I have today for you guys. Make sure you stay tuned at the end of the video so I can share the winner for the gingerbread tags. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.